Hadin ke jinglap ya ke jingle tu ke agency ke papania ke kam security guard ha National Institute of Technology NIT Sohra ke bala pendon kam beklai ke NOC jong ke HADC ha ke khandru trik kelalengkon ke seng nyutrap National Youth Front Hnyf Sohra circle kle kendo i registrar jong ke NIT ban Dawa ban cancel no ik license ya ke North East Security Service NESS namar ki kam syukor jong ka bat ban penmi no na kini ke jaka puli Habakren hadin ke jingi kendo ya registrar unang ai ketin ke seng uba ban job lang khongwer ula kentui kinong penya ya ke NIT ban pet benya ya ke kot kisla bat ban penkut no ya ke NOC jongka Nalor kata ke seng kala kerpat ru ikinong penya ya ke NIT banum pendo ya ke bainong kinong teri security guard ki beladon hakani ke institute anda kila kentat ya ke NOC jong ke NESS
4 or 5 altogether were shortlisted. Okay. And one by one, while your verification process was done by a committee, and only 2 parties were from outside. One is NESSO, and one is the earlier our security engineering SIS limited. And other 2 or 3 parties are the local parties of the Shillong. And since they are locally registered, they do not require to submit the KSDC certificate. Got my point? So ultimately, 2 parties have been submitted the KSDC certificate, and from our point of view, both the certificates are similar. Both the certificates are similar. It is having the issue number, file number of KSDC Council, then date, along with certain terms and conditions, signature of the competent authority of KSDC, and with the seal, official seal. One important point is, along with the terms and condition, both the certificates, not only the one certificate, both the certificate is having a validity up to, there is a clause number 4 or 5, it is written due to some technical problem of the KSDC Council. The original certificate, which is meant to be labor license or certificate to be issued by the KSD, it is not issued. And this certificate is valid up to 31st March 2020.
You came to HDC, sir?
Yesterday. Yesterday. I mean,
then we kept that license, but that driving license is valid in that court only, not here.
No, I'm coming to the point. There it was not mentioned, both the party, it was not mentioned that it is like or maybe it was their applications only. Okay, and whatever the one gentleman from their team, 4 people came. One gentleman from their team has shown me on their mobile phone that is this the certificate? I said, I confirm it that this is not the certificate. They have produced a different one. 4, 5 clauses, and last clause is this is valid till 31st March 2026. Okay, SIS also produced the same thing, with the jurisdiction of all the case khasi and Hnyf. Okay, so from that point, it is we could not doubt anything, since we have to write to them. Whoever got the things, that you will have to produce the certificate on or before the original certificate on or before 31st March. Accordingly, we have already initiated the process to our this NESSO, this party, that letter will be issued to them. Now, yesterday, as per the discussion with the KSDC representatives, 4 persons were there. I discussed with them, and over telephone also, someone of them has given me the telephone to their Shillong office. One gentleman was there. He was, I think, introduced me by the representative by the chief. I forgot the name, sorry. Then I talked to him over telephone. From our point of view, only the 2 non-Meghalaya vendors has participated, and both of them has submitted one kind of this kind of certificate with the letterhead, with the issue number, date similar to you, with the signature seal art on certain 5 or 6 clauses, and the last clause is released up to 31st March. Now, whether these certificates are valid or not, whether these certificates are forged or it is very difficult on our part to ascertain. If somebody has pointed out this reason, then we can ask them to verify it, get it authenticated. Okay. So yesterday I had requested on behalf of the to the PHDC that you call the NESSO and you will see what kind of application they are making. It is difficult for us. We do not have any document that what kind of applications they are putting, whether it is in Lightcore area. They are also saying that Assam Rifle School or some yeah. We do not have the document and we cannot ascertain. I came in. So it is not about part of document that they have submitted us. We got their KSDC Council document. It is not written here. It is but applicable for this Khasian joint hills only, and that is also for a smaller period, valid up to 31st March 2026. So I had requested the chief of the KSDC Council that you call the party, verify it, and if anything goes wrong, and we are also bound to take the actions, because with the false document, if some contract has been engaged, that is also not proper as per the rules. Okay. So this is in brief. I am explaining to you. So it is now part of the KSDC Council and the party to ascertain, and by the time, since the certificate produced by both the party, only one party has got the contract of the security here, and so we have already processed the file. File processing means initiated by our department, so it will go for signature with sample, and by Monday or Tuesday later will be issued to our NESSO. What we will write, the certificate you have produced from the KSDC Council is valid only 31st March, so you will have to produce the original authenticated certificate by, we will give some time, so with that you have to produce. Otherwise, you will be obliged to take necessary action against your farm as per the clause of the terms of our clause and terms and references of our tender document. There it is clearly mentioned. So any false document submission is not a valid things for us also. So this is in brief I am explaining to you.
Now as we come to our location after we met the CEO, so he himself he has assured that this trade mindset is not applicable here.
Okay.
Only in that. That's why we need to detail some explanation.
Also, this is the total scenario where there is no human intervention that personally someone will have some interest, make herafiri or nothing. That is beyond scope as the part of National Institute of Technology. If somebody submitted a false document, we have the scope to act and verify it. If it is found, definitely we will have to take action. So yesterday, over telephone, I had requested the chief of KSDC Council. I have not met with him, and so I had requested him to call NESSO, their top officials, to discuss and sort out the matter. If it is not done, definitely we will be informed and we will take action. That is all.
Belum nak sort ya?
Ini macam, ini dah yuk pengen gambar awal tu.
Tak kan.
Lembaga appointment letter ke bagi labu ya director temata kasngi ka kadutrik benai benikong arajar pendru ngilawan ban dia hang ni hapo NIT na kajing bom don jong director ngila nilai yo ban ya kendu ya register officer ya kaba ngi nak lekaseng nila Dawa jor halor kini kimat kipang nila mention kum kani ka memendom ka bangila ai ki mentang sengi te halor kani kamat ka bangila keren syai ba nakalian kaseng ni Dawa ba kidai ban terminate no ya kani ka agency kani ka Ness agency ka ba larung hang ni ban pentrai kam kum ki SG ya ki security guard namar ba kala misuse ya ka trading license napo ka KHDC but nila keren ru daga basyai hang ni ba ya ki nong tray hibat tray kum ki SG hang ni balada kani ka Ness kala sya terminate hakani ka nakani ka NIT ru kimdai bandu ya ka jing ya ka nong joki ya ka bakila tray mentak benai pat ngila keren syaru ha bayade bat ka NOC namar kat kum ka jing ya kendu jungi ya Sohra jong kani ka ilaka sai sopen uklam Samla ya kani ka NOC lembaga ya kani ka agency bat ngisotu syahi ba klam ka NOC ka kinum yo hiru ya ka trading license te bat hakini kijing ya keren baru kajing pensyai kaba kajing ka discuss meeting menta ka bang ya kendu ni register officer kajing pensyai kaba ulai hangi menta ka sengi hakabayate bat ka trading license ba nakaliang jong ka council kalawan mi menen te kendit ngin shu keren syai ka de halor jong kani ka certificate kajing keren jungi beta kajing keren kajing ajing pensyai halor kani ka certificate ka bambut ba nakaliang jong register officer hang ni ong ba Samla submit ya ka trading license la submit ang ya kani ka certificate na kata-kata ba kani ka Ness kayo ban rung ban pendiat kam hang ni hapo NIT te nakaliang jungi ngisoban keren da ka basya siapo ka KCDC but hakajing ya keren ka mentahi kinong balada issue kum yakini ki jai certificate kidai banda mention ya kajaka ka area ka bakinu ke company ki wan ban tray ki company ke banabar ki wan ban tray hakani ka jaka akini ki jaka bangat apo ka schedule area te akani ka jing keren syu ka mentah ka bangila ya keren syai but kaladon ru kajing Khubor nakaliang jong nakaliang kani ka meeting menta ka bang ya don lang habang ka bang nilaya sign lang hang ni kamubot baya kani ka agency kinsa shim ban pej bania ban mi bania nakaliang jong ka NIT bal lada kambiang kat kum ka reply ka bawan na discouncil ka clarify ka bawan na discouncil ka bakim biang sisya ya kata ka trading license nakaliang jungi ngila kentu ba hapo hakajing ya keren bahapo jung ni benai kidai ban terminate no ya kanika agency tabat hakani kajing tho klam Samla mention ya ubenai namar nakaleng juki kila Khubor hi ba lada kala balong ru hakashite yau atayau bakin terminate ya kanika agency ya kanika Ness tina nakaleng kaseng ngau ba ngidap hi da kajing ngau komen namar ba ngisngo kumbang ilayo ya ka jingjob hakani ka sengi ka bamenta namar ka jing Khubor jong register officer pansim kia yakini ki baro ki jing le fraud jong kani ka agency ka balayo banwan rukli hangni hapo NIT pantri kum ki ban pantri kam kum ya ki SG security guard namar bang nakren syar halor jong kapisa ka ba ngilakren lembaga media hakipor ki baladap hakini ki sengi ki ba ladap ki banglawan ban ya kendu ya CEO jong ka ni ka Ness jong ka ni ka agency ya ka ba ulah Khubor ba unum shimshu shitengka ni spia ru nakini ki SG ki badan hang ni te ngilas ngotu syai ba ki jing bakla ki bebun ki ba ka ni ka Ness kala yai lai ki bla penken ya ki kendon an jong ka Shillong ki bla penken ya ki kendon an jong ka district council te ngai skam ru ba ka district council dan simkia ban kanum issue ya kini ki trading license ya kinu ki agency di banabar kini ka mesti cipa ini ba lada ki agency